Hello, hello guys. I'm Adnan, and I'm starting this channel today to document my journey through the AI space. And as I navigate through it, hopefully someday when I look back and watch my first video uploaded, yeah, maybe it will be a great feeling to see my progress. And I also want to take you guys through my journey and literally document everything, every steps, every processes, and I'll be uploading daily and I'll be recording daily so that I don't miss anything. And yeah, that's basically the purpose of this channel. And I have written out some points that I want to talk today. I can start with how I was introduced to AI in the first place. Like everyone, it was ChatGPT, and if I remember correctly, ChatGPT came out in the late 2022, and actually one of my friends suggested me to use it, and it was in the early 2023. He told me that there's a really cool AI chatbot that you can use, and he actually played with it for his academic purposes. Then he suggested it to me, and we originally used ChatGPT to make gym routines for ourselves because we are hitting gyms 6 days a week. We used to follow initially we used to follow a bro split, then we transitioned into a hybrid power building approach. We started our sets with heavy, then included bodybuilding exercises, but that's not our topic for today. But yeah, we played with ChatGPT for a long time. We made gym routines and academic stuffs. As it was in the initial phase, there were a lot of misinformation. It didn't understand our prompt properly. But yeah, it pretty much exponentially improved from then. And I literally have been dependent on ChatGPT for the last 2 to 3 years. And unknowingly, I would say I mastered prompting, because when I started using ChatGPT, I didn't know that prompt is a thing. I just played around with it, typed a lot of things, and monitored how ChatGPT is replying to my questions. Then I refined my inputs, and yeah, I would say I had knack for it. I don't know if that's the correct word. And yeah, then I was introduced to how to actually use AI, the prompt engineering part. But yeah, and then the most important and most interesting thing is that as I have seen how AI progressed in front of my own eyes, and initially the improvement was in a linear motion, because we would wait months and months for a little bit improvement of ChatGPT. Then suddenly everything started to explode, and now the progress is exponential. Like, if you told me what ChatGPT or Gemini or the new image and video generation tools I can do right now, if you told all of this to me 3 months back, I wouldn't believe you. That's how fast the technology is improving. And recently I've been using Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's a preview version for developers, but you can access everything through it, and I am just amazed of the things it can do. I will mention the most interesting part that struck with me, and that's the token number. Because when using ChatGPT, although it has context memory, it can save some stuff so that it can remember later in other chats. However, if you continue chatting with ChatGPT in a single chat, if you do it long enough, it starts to forget the stuff that you said earlier, because its context memory, or I would say the correct term is token limit, it's not that much, so it starts to forget what you said earlier. However, when using Gemini 2.5 Pro preview version, I believe the token is above 100k, and it has a huge memory, huge. You can literally maintain a story conversation with it and it will still remember everything. Yeah, so it's cool. Also, I played with its image generation capabilities. I produced video with it, although they are not up to the mark. And I also believe there are dedicated AI tools for those tasks like image generation, video generation. But I do believe everything is improving so fast, and it's actually sometimes it's hard to catch up with all the new tools that are coming out every week. So that's cool. But why I am starting this journey? That's an important question, because I can see how small to medium-sized businesses are still unaware of how AI technologies can help them. Because I noticed one trend, and that is all the large AI tools and their companies, they are targeting all the big names, big shots. And it feels as if they're completely ignoring the small businesses. So I believe there's a gap there. I believe there's an opportunity to help those businesses find the right AI solutions for them, educate them on how those tools can improve their ROI and improve their functionality, make their operations smoother and optimize everything. I believe there's opportunity to do that, and that's why I want to solve those problems, and that's why I'm starting this journey. And I want to take you guys through it with me, as I post daily, as I learn daily, as I continue to use all the new things, try different new things, build projects on my own. I'll share everything in this channel, so subscribe and stay with me. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.